बिहार में क्या चीज है ऐसा, क्या खासियत है, ये कल्चर क्या है वहां का जो उसको खास बनाता है, ये हम उनके गानों से बिहार की स्वर कोकिला अब नहीं रही स्वर को। वेलकम बैक टू पाठशाला क्लासेस. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Pathshala classes, and now we are going to discuss a very trending news, however a very sad demise of a very famous singer of Bihar, जो हमारे दिल, जहन, जबान सब जगह छठ के दौरान याद आता है. वो हम आगे देखते हैं कौन है वो. Without further delay, let's see who is this Swar Kokila that we are talking about. Sharda Sinha, a renowned folk singer from बिहार. आपको पता है छठ पूजा जो है मेनली झारखंड, बिहार और यूपी के कुछ एरियाज में मनाया जाता है. She is a very famous singer hailing from Bihar, and now that she is no more with us, so it is a matter of great condolence that now she is not amongst us. जिनके गाने हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे थे छठ पूजा में, वो आवाज अब नहीं आएगा. उनके रिकॉर्डिंग्स रहेंगे, वो नहीं है अब हमारे बीच. Miss Sharda Sinha, a renowned folk singer from Bihar, is affectionately called as Bihar Swar Kokila for her melodious voice and remarkable contribution to Bihari music. She is known for her beautiful renditions of Bhojpuri plus Maithili songs, which have captured the hearts of millions and helped preserve the cultural traditions of Bihar. बिहार के कल्चरल ट्रेडिशंस को प्रमोट करना और उसको इधर उधर जो मतलब थ्रू आउट द कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन अदर कंट्रीज एज वेल. थ्रू हर वॉइस she has promoted the culture of Bihar and made it known to the public what is Bihar, what is the culture of Bihar, and every other detail as to what Bihar is known for. बिहार में क्या चीज है ऐसा, क्या खासियत है, ये कल्चर क्या है वहां का जो उसको खास बनाता है, ये हम उनके गानों से, उनके थ्रू बहुत हद तक हम हमारे अलावा और भी लोग जाने हैं. Also that why is she known as Bihar Swar Kokila? What is the reason behind she being given the title and conferred with the title of Bihar Swar Kokila? Bihar Swar Kokila refers to Dr. Sharda Sinha, which is a renowned Indian folk and classical singer hailing from Bihar. She is famous for her soulful performances in Maithili, Bhojpuri and Hindi languages, especially during the Chhat Puja. मैंने सबसे पहले वही बताया आपको. Known for a deep connection to Bihar's cultural heritage, and that Sharda Sinha earned prestigious awards like Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan for her contributions to music. She is a national awardee and she is holding such a renowned award, that is Padma Shri. Also, she has been conferred with Padma Bhushan award later on. Why did Sharda Sinha earn the title of Bihar Swar Kokila? Dr. Sharda Sinha earned the title of Bihar Swar Kokila because of her exceptional contributions to the Bihari folk music particularly. Right? उनका बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा सा हम देख लें कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग द फेमस सिंगर ऑफ हेलिंग फ्रॉम बिहार, व्हाट वर हर अदर अचीवमेंट्स. उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या था, सिंगर से पहले क्या थी वो, एंड हर अर्ली लाइफ. सो Dr. Sharda Sinha was a renowned Indian folk and classical singer from Bihar. She was born on 1st October 1952 and thereafter she became famous for singing in Maithili, Bhojpuri and Hindi, and she was conferred with the title of Bihar Swar Kokila because of her soulful performances, especially during Chhat Puja. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 1991 and later on, as said, पद्म भूषण इन 2018 2018 में उनको पद्म भूषण मिला था, और उससे पहले 1991 में ही शी वॉज कन्फर्ड विद द पद्मश्री अवार्ड फॉर हर excellent performance with regard to singing. Apart from this, Sinha's songs preserved and promoted Bihar's rich cultural heritage, जो कि मैंने पहले ही बता दिया आपको. As far as her career is concerned, Sharda Sinha took off when she began performing at various cultural events. पहले वो छोटे मोटे cultural events में करती थी perform, उसके बाद और बड़े बड़े events उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया attend करना, and which included the बसंत महोत्सव इन इलाहाबाद, जो कि बहुत फेमस है, which is always organized by the प्रयाग संगीत समिति. After that, she was specially popular for her folk songs related to Chhath Puja, already stated, a festival celebrated in Bihar, particularly Bihar. बिहार से ही ओरिजिन, बिहार झारखंड के लोग ज्यादा मनाते हैं ये छठ पूजा, उधर ज्यादा फेमस है. यूपी के कुछ जगह पे भी ये मनता है ये फेस्टिवल. हर सोलफुल परफॉर्मेंसेस captivated audiences across the country, and she continued to perform for major events, including those attended by the political figures such as the Prime Minister of Mauritius. ये छोटी मोटी बात नहीं है, और ना ही ये छोटी मोटी अचीवमेंट है. खैर, वो हमारे बीच अब नहीं है, लेकिन उनके संगीत, उनके गाने आज भी करोड़ों लोगों के दिल के करीब है. एक इमोशन है छठ पूजा, और इसी बात पे छठ पूजा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग विथ अस, एंड फॉर अदर डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग करंट अफेयर्स एंड जीके, please subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pathshala Classes, as well as you can get access to the study materials which is available in the Telegram channel of Pathshala Classes. Thank you so much for connecting with us.